Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today I'll show you a quick yoga for abductors. On your knee and bring one knee up. And I want you to turn front toes 45-degree angle open and back toes pointing to the side. From here, put your hands inside of your knee and press outward. And try to shift your hips forward as you breathe and breathing out. And if too much pressure on your knee, you can walk on the soft surface or put some towel under. 5 breaths here. And good. Now let's do the other side. One knee down. And front toes, 45-degree angle, back toes to the side, hands on your hip, and inside of your knee, press out, and inhale as exhale, slowly shift your hips forward. After 5 big breaths, and release. If you want to know more, check out my full-length videos.